Welcome again to our YouTube videos, tutorials about Moshop. If you are one of the people that have watched the videos that produced earlier before, this one, it comes now today with you to make sure that I update you on every changes that are there on Moshop. For so long, I've not updated for these videos, but today I want to show you some of the insights and some of the things that you have missed when we made our changes on Moshop. And some of the best things that I want to show you is the tips on how to sell quickly on Moshop. A little bit about this app is that many people are making more money, and we have more than 10,000 downloads on our phones. Make sure you share and subscribe on this YouTube video because you'll get more updates very quickly whenever we are ready and share them out. So subscribe, don't forget to do that. I want to tell you that Moshop is one of the fastest growing app and reselling app where people are doing business on free online with smartphones or with their on the internet. Now today I want to tell you that this one is you become your own boss. It gives you freedom to be your own boss, and it gives you a career which you really care about. It has also, it's going to help you to be among 100,000 Moshop users. Look for more options in life and make life better. We have low prices, better quality continuous services, and thousands of users are enjoying this experience. What you have to do, you browse, number one, and then number two, you share. Number three, you refer. Number four, you receive guarantee, return and exchange on commodities, and you get paid for free. And also you make profits to you. So make sure you download this app. It's free of charge with 4.4 stars. So with best reviews ever on the internet. Before we start where we go in and I tell you some of the changes. Let me show you our Facebook page. Our Facebook page, if you are looking for Moshop, just search for Moshop on your Facebook page and you'll find this. It's an e-commerce website where we share most of the updates quickly to us. So make sure you follow us and see some of the products that we have given you and the new offers and some of the exciting templates that you can use to start making more sales and pushing for your sales. We have done so much more when it came to 2021, and a happy new year. We want to make sure that this year we make you one of the proud resellers and also make your own profits at your home, at the comfort of your home. We have made a lot of posts and so much more. Products have been on board and more manufacturers have come overboard. And today I want to tell you that you're missing out if you have not registered with us. 2,000 and so much more products coming on our way, and this year it's going to be so big. So make sure you share and join our Facebook page quickly, and also watch our videos. Okay, watch some of the videos that we have produced on this YouTube video and share with your friends and invite more friends to do that because you get commissions at the end of the day. So this is our Facebook page. Make sure you like it and share. That said and done, we have also our website, which is moshopapp.com. As you can see, we have our website, which is very friendly on your mobile phone and even on your computer or desktop. So on your PC, you can see this is how our website look like. It has our logo and also the filters on this side. I'll tell you more about the filters when we get there. But today I want to show you some of the products that are easily accessible on Moshop app. Very quickly, let's jump in. These are the products. As you can see, we have women bags, we have women clothing, the inner wears, we have classic women rompers, and so much more. Now I want to show you 3 tips on how to sell very quickly and get sales very fast than the methods that you have been using. So I want you to change your perspective on how you're going to sell on your social media and sharing on your WhatsApp, and using some of these templates and images and even descriptions of the products to sell quickly. Now I want to take an example of this watch. It's a beautiful, smart, famous fashion sport cool match quads for men. You'll see that when you click on such a product, you'll see the image. The image is quite well, very lit. You can see it goes at 389 shillings, and others down here there are more different colors, and then the description down there. So what you do, you can download this image, and then make sure, tip number one, make sure you only share one product if it's on social media, and explain it fully. Have your descriptions explained fully, and then explain how the description on the product until it's complete. Share one at a time. Number two, why? Because if you share more products at once, you'll overload your client, you'll overload your customers. So make sure you only share one item, explain everything at a time. Make sure you also give yourself a time frame until people react on the product, and then when you have answered you have given them the solutions or answers to what they're looking for, then you give orders. Number three, you'll get more orders. So what you do, if you give yourself a minimum, or at least a minimum and a target, you'll fulfill it very quickly and make more sales, and you'll make more money even than selling everything at once. Thank you. These Arnest Digits. Thank you for listening, and subscribe on this YouTube channel, because we have so much more with you on Moshop. Make sure you share and watch most of the videos for you to start making money in Kenya.